As Rich mentioned, my name's Todd. I'm a director at HPE Pathfinder, and we are an enterprise tech-focused, stage-agnostic venture capital fund. You can kind of think of us as sort of like the venture capital fund that invests in enterprise technology companies, and really that's just a euphemism for saying that we like to invest in, edge, data, hardware and software, IoT, AI, ML, storage, compute, networking. We do silicon chip investing, which not a lot of firms out there do. Basically, we like to invest in the tools and the teams and the technologies that are going to be relevant to enterprise players over the next 3 to 5 to 7 years. I've been investing both personally and professionally for the past decade. And as Rich mentioned, before I became a venture capitalist, I was an engineer. I've got degrees in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and computer science. I'm basically a giant nerd, which is why I love investing in deep frontier and hard technology startups. Today, what we're going to be talking about is I presume a lot of you work for us. Raise your hand if you're a founder or work at a startup. Okay, quite a bit of you. That's awesome. That's great. So you're in the right talk, and this is the right audience. We're going to be talking about what to keep in mind when thinking about fundraising. So either as a founder or as an employee of a startup, this is sort of what I would expect you might want to have in the back of your mind as your startup or your company goes out for fundraising over these next couple months and couple quarters.